Normalcy exam, the one autistics take continually and often fail. Autistics ask the typical question, why? Why is it that conformity is given moral value? Why is it that conformity raises to a status of right or wrong? Most people see autism as something wrong with a person, not something different with them. Normality is not a virtue, and abnormality is not a vice. Conformity is a Victorian term forced by industrialists to get conformity in the workplace. Autistics are glitches in the system. They are not normal. They are not simply pieces of machinery that can be put into an industrial model interchangeably. Just remember that not normal is not a misdemeanor and not normal is not a felony. Can you imagine taking a normalcy exam every day? Masking the very best you can, and at that just barely passing, sometimes failing. For some autistics, every social situation is a test. Would you be willing to sign up for an extra test every day and go to a different social event so you can be tested? The pressure is often too much, and we simply skip the test and stay home. Don't focus on normalcy. You can barely pass. Focus on uniqueness and your particular autistic strengths. After all, extraordinary is extraordinary. Are you a young adult autistic stuck at home and craving more independence? Then the Autistic Bridge to Independence may be just what you're looking for. It's a 5 ebook guide to your independence. Check the link below and get it today. And remember, you were born different to make a difference. Thank you.